Hi students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Sri Academy online classes. My name is Pramod Kumar. Today we will discuss about general knowledge of class 7 part 2. The amazing unusual flora. There are so many unusual flora here. First one, find out the clue and write the name of this particular flora. First, this tree produces largest flower clusters in the world. This flower produces largest flower cluster in the world. It flowers only once and then die. The name of this plant, telepot palm. T-A-L-I-P-O-T, telepot palm, P-A-L-M palm. This telepot palm tree produces largest flower cluster in the world. Second, these plants grow at an amazing rate and can grow 45 centimeter to 1 meter in a day. Means these plants grow up to 45 centimeter to 1 meter in a day. The name of this plant, giant kelp seaweed. G-I-A-N-T, giant kelp, K-E-L-P, seaweed, S-E-A-W-E-E-D, seaweeds. This plant grows on its host tree and strangles it. It starts as a seeds fallen on leaves of the host and develops roots which descends along the trunk of the host, enter the soil, and eventually the host tree dies and huge tree is left behind it. The name of this tree is called strangler's fig. S-T-R-A-N-G-L-E-R, strangler fig, F-I-G. Fourth, it is a parasitic plant and has no chlorophyll. It is a native of South Africa. The plant grows underground, but its flowers emerge above the ground and emit a foul odor to attract its pollinators. The flower then traps the insect and eats them. Hence, this plant is an insectivorous plant, and the name of this plant, Hydrona african, H-Y-D-N-O-R-A, Hydrona african, A-F-R-I-C-A-N-A, Hydrona african. Fifth, the leaves of this plant look as if they have been cut into the perfect heart. It grows in the Thailand forest. Means this plant grow in Thailand, and the leaves of this plant look like a heart shape. The name of this plant, sweetheart hoya. S-W-E-E-T, sweetheart, H-E-A-R-T, heart hoya, H-O-Y-A. 6. This plant produces the world's largest seed. It grows only in clusters. These seeds are like rounded coconuts, weighing about to 20 kg. Means this produces a largest seeds in the weight of seeds about 20 kg. The name of this plant, giant fan palm, G-I-A-N-T, giant fan, F-A-N, fan, palm, P-A-N, palm. Can you identify this unique plant? Rafflesia. Rafflesia is the biggest flower in the world. R-A-F-F-L-E-S-I-A, Rafflesia flower, F-L-O-W-E-R flower. Rafflesia flower is the biggest flower in the world. Question number 8. It is native to Southern Africa. Leaves looks like a pebbles and merge in the surrounding pebbles. Leaves are one or two pairs, fused with no stem. The name of this plant is called pebble plant, because it look like a pebble. So the name of this plant, pebble plant, P-E-B-B-L-E, pebble plant, P-L-A-N-T, plant. Question number 9. This eucalyptus tree found in the northern hemisphere. It has colorful trunk with multicolored streaks. Outer bark is usually shaded, showing inner blue, maroon, and purple color. These eucalyptus plants are shown different color like blue, maroon, purple color. So the name of this plant rainbow eucalyptus. Rainbow, rainbow eucalyptus. 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 Unique animals and birds. This orange-legged African hawk captures a poisonous snake with feed and crushes it to death with its beak. This is an African bird, and he captured a poisonous snake with feed and crushed it to death with its beak. Because wings is very sharp. The name of this bird, secretary bird. Secretary, secretary birds, bird, secretary birds. Question number 2. This animal is found in Malaysia and is the fuelest smelling animal in the world. Means very fuelest smelling animal. Smell like rotting socks या rotting onion. सड़ा हुआ प्याज की तरह स्मेल आती है. The name of this animal is called moon rat. MOON, moon RAT, rat, moon rat. So third, it is an acrobatus monkey uses its tail as a lift and to pick up the object and swing through tree, reaching the top. Means using this tail moves one tree to another tree. The name of this monkey is called spider monkey. SPIDER, spider, MONKEY, monkey, spider monkey. 4. A triangular hooked beak makes it look very odd. The beak is a large like head and it has orange color at the corner of the mouth. The outer part of the bill drops after nesting. Means this bird looks like a triangular hooked beak makes it look very odd to compare to the other birds. The name of this bird is puffin. PUFFIN, puffin. 5th, the garden eels live in the tubes in the sand. They are found on the ocean bed. They project their heads up into the water and swing. They feed on small creatures brought to them with water. Means the garden eels will tubes in the sand. It live in the sand. The name of this eel is called the garden eel. Garden eel. GARDEN. Garden ELL. Garden eel. So 6. This found in the South Africa. It is about 1.5 meter long and about 3 meter thick. The name of this earthworm is giant earthworm. Giant earthworm. GIANT, giant earth, EART, earth, WORM, giant earthworm, near about 1.5 meter long. 7. It is a cat-like mammal, native to Africa and Asia. It has a scent-like smell due to the glands secreting greasy substance with which they mark the tree. The greasy substance is used in a fixative for perfumes. Means this mammal look like a cat and found Africa and Asia area. So the name of this animal civet. CIVET, civet. Question number 8. This butterfly deceives its predator by the false head on the back of its wings with eyes, legs and antenna complete. It is not easy to find which way it's in flight. Means they are deceive the predator by the false head. The name of this butterfly is false-headed butterfly. False, false-headed. Headed, headed butterfly. 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 False-headed butterfly. Now discuss about the India's superlative largest, highest, and longest. The name of the using the help box. First question: largest indoor stadium. Largest indoor stadium, Indira Gandhi Stadium, New Delhi. Largest indoor stadium, Indira Gandhi Stadium, New Delhi. Question second: largest temple. Largest temple, Srirangam Temple. Largest temple in India, Srirangam Temple. Third: largest dome in India, Gol Gumbaz. Largest dome in India, Gol Gumbaz. Largest cave in India, Amarnath Cave. Largest cave in India, Amarnath Cave. Largest mosque in India, Jama Masjid. Largest mosque, Jama Masjid. The largest Gurudwara in India, Golden Temple in Amritsar. Largest Gurudwara in India, Golden Temple. Next one, the highest airport in India, Leh Airport, Jammu and Kashmir. Highest airport, Leh Airport. Next one, the highest dam in India. Highest dam in India, Tehri Dam. Next one, highest gateway, Buland Darwaja. Highest gateway, Buland Darwaja, Fatehpur Sikri. Question number 10. Highest mountain peak. Highest mountain peak in India, K2. K2, Godwin Austen, the highest mountain peak in India. Highest waterfall, Jog Fall, is the highest waterfall of India. Longest railway platform. Longest railway platform in India, Gorakhpur, UP, is the longest railway platform. Longest river in India, Ganga is the longest river of India. Longest beach. Longest beach, Marina. Marina Beach in Tamil Nadu. Longest glacier, Sichuan. Sichuan is the longest glacier in India. Longest road. Longest road, GT Road, Grand Trunk Road, is the longest road of India. Longest canal, Indira Gandhi Nahar, the longest canal, Indira Gandhi Nahar. Hopefully you understand unusual flora, wonderful birds and animal, and highest, largest of Indian superlative and longest. Each and every students write on your copy and learn it with your homework.